Hello there and welcome to my short video tutorial about how you can embed your video reports as part of your Squeeze page. As part of this offer, I provided you with 3 ready-made, ready-to-go video reports that can be used as a part of your advertising campaign. It can be used as direct advertisement to your potential subscribers and to your subscribers. What I want to do now is I want to show you how you're going to make use of these videos. As you can see, I'm right here on WordPress website, and it's a completely free website to use, so I recommend you do that as a part of your campaign because it's actually very helpful for a variety of reasons. And I can't cover it right now, but if you check out my course, you're going to find out a whole lot more about it. What I'm going to do right now is build a Squeeze page using OptimizePress, and here I'm just going to put video report. Let's check availability. It's not available. Let's see, how about free video report? There you go. It's available. Here, I'm going to use a content template, and it's going to be this one called Simple Landing Page. Once that's selected, once we've selected Simple Landing Page, we'll proceed down here to step 2. Now we're designing our landing page. I'm going to get rid of this element up here and the header. I'm going to change into something that relates to one of the video reports. Let's say we're doing a video report regarding the truth about abs. Find out the truth about building rock-hard, flat abs and why it's necessary to stay in perfect shape. I'm going to change the color of this header from blue, which was its default, to red because I found out that the color red actually attracts more attention. And really, there are studies done about the color red. For whatever reason, red cars get more tickets from the police more than any other color of cars. The color red obviously attracts a lot of attention. Anyway, I'm going to insert this header right now, and there you go. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go back here and capitalize this letter B because I want to be consistent. There we go. So that's done. Now I'm just going to quickly get rid of this subheader because we don't need it. I'm also going to get rid of this part because we don't need it either. Click here to add an element, and then up here in Search an Element, just type in video, and it's going to give you an option for a video player. And then it does say choose the video player style, but you only really have this one option, so choose it. You're now taken to this step 3. The first thing you need to do is you need to select the type of video and make sure you have a YouTube channel or a YouTube account where you can publish these videos. You don't really need any following on YouTube or anything like that, although it helps. But you would only need a place on YouTube where you can publish videos and then link them to this video player. Here you would put the URL of your YouTube video, but for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to put any old YouTube video. Let's make it this one. Copy this URL of this video. Go back here and then paste it right here. With the dimensions, you can leave it custom, or you can select, for example, 640 by 360. You can make this to be HD, but it's really up to you. Maybe somebody doesn't want to view it in HD. There are still places where the internet connection is not good enough for everybody to do everything in HD, so just leave it as is, as blank, and insert the video player. There's the video player, and now you have this done. There's only one last thing you need to do. You need to add another element, and instead of video, type in button, and then add a button. Here you have choices of several buttons, but let's go with the reserve your spot, and background image will be this. The test will be dark, and the text add to cart. I don't like it. And what I would do is select get instant access because these two seem to work better than any others. Through all my tried and tested campaigns, I found that giving somebody access is much better than asking them to go sign up, register, or order now. So just have them say get instant access. It works the best. I'm going to quickly save this and continue with them. Let's view the public link to see what this looks like. There you go. This is what this looks like. If you click on the button right here, it doesn't take you anywhere because here, what you need to put in, I'm going to quickly edit it. And here you would need to put in your affiliate link. The report Truth About Abs. Let me quickly show you what this is about. We're going to ClickBank, and on ClickBank, I'm going to Marketplace, and on Marketplace, what I'm going to do is click Food and Wine. Sort all of this by gravity here. You would click on this Promote, and then what you would get is a custom-made link for you to be an affiliate for that link. You would go ahead and put it here. In that manner, you'll be able to sell this as an affiliate marketer, and you'll be able to get commission. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm not going to put this link, but I hope you understand that you need to click here on Promote, register, as I'm sure you already have a ClickBank account. If you don't, then you need to make a ClickBank account, register, and you need to click here on Create, and you'll get a custom affiliate link, your own affiliate link for this very product, that you would then go ahead and put here. And they'll be able to click on this Get Instant Access button, and that will take them to the page where they can purchase the product using your affiliate link, and you'll get the payout for this sale. That's how you're going to use the WordPress website to put in the free video report, and you're going to be able to put in the button, and you're going to be able to put in your affiliate link, and you'll be able to make sales based upon this free video report. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's been informative. And what I suggest is you get right out there and start marketing.